In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Nissan Rogue key fob. You can see I have two versions of this device here. There is also a third, which has 3 buttons. It doesn't matter which one you have. You can follow along with this video as the process will be the same for all of them. All you'll need to have to get this process done is one CR2032 battery and a flathead screwdriver, a smaller sized flathead screwdriver. I'll be opening up this one, and if you don't have one of these batteries or you were going to get one online anyway, you can go check out that first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for just a few bucks. We're going to be just flipping this over, finding the little lever on the back and holding that down and pulling out the internal key. Now you can see right there on the bottom of the device, you can see there's that little indentation. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, and just push it down and twist gently until you've started to open it up on the sides. Now stop twisting here and come down this opening and continue twisting, just slowly working your way down so you don't damage the plastic up there with too much pressure. Just kind of work your way down. Lost my key fob. So what will happen is you'll be working your way down and then you'll just be able to pull it apart like that. From here, I'm going to use the same tool to come in on the side of the battery, try to get under it and just gently pry it up, kind of using the corner of my screwdriver to get under the battery. Now, when you open this up, some of you might have a CR2025 inside. You can see I have a CR2032. Both will fit in here and both will be compatible, but the 2032 is, I think, what is supposed to be in here, and it just has a longer battery life. So this is the one you will want to be using. And again, that link is in the description. So go ahead and grab your new battery. Make sure that the positive side is facing down when you put it in here, and you'll just simply snap it down into place. Now all we need to do is reattach the device. So just squeeze it back together and put your key back in there. That's all it takes. I hope this was easy enough. I hope it helped you out. If it did, go ahead and drop us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come check us out here on YouTube or at our website, FobBattery.com.